Hello, and welcome to AnbuZ HobbieZ. In this video, we're diving into the world of Java design patterns. Design patterns are the blueprints for solving common problems in software development. What are design patterns? Design patterns are recurring solutions to common problems in software design. They are like templates that guide you in solving similar problems effectively. These patterns help you write clean, efficient, and maintainable code. Why are they important? Design patterns save you from reinventing the wheel. They encapsulate best practices from experienced developers. Using design patterns enhances code quality and readability. They make it easier to communicate and collaborate on software projects. Types of design patterns. Design patterns are categorized into three main types: creational, structural, and behavioral. Creational patterns deal with object creation mechanisms. Structural patterns focus on object composition and relationships. Behavioral patterns address communication and responsibility between objects. Some of the popular design patterns include the singleton, factory method, observer, and many more. We'll explore these in depth in upcoming videos. Think of design patterns like architectural blueprints for buildings. Just as architects use blueprints to construct houses efficiently, developers use design patterns to construct software efficiently. Design patterns are an essential tool in any developer's toolkit. They empower you to create better, more maintainable software. In our upcoming videos, we'll dive deeper into each type of design pattern, explaining their concepts and providing practical examples in Java. So stay tuned and let's master the world of Java design patterns together. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content from AnbuZ HobbieZ. Thanks for watching.